Are you struggling to find more customers for your soap business? In this video, I'm going to show you the 10 best ways to find more customers and increase your sales. Hi, I'm Sarah Janes from Soap School. A lot of people start their own soap businesses because they think that it's a really lucrative market. But the truth is that in any business, it's not always easy when starting out. And in this video, I'm going to show you 10 ways to help you get your business more visible and increase your sales. First of all, number one, get started locally. Local events and meetups are a great way to meet new people, and they could be really interested in your products and your people will spread the word. You can go to local council events, church events, schools, street markets, farmers markets. There are tons of things that go on all through the year in your local area. Motor shows, hot air balloon events, or food festivals, music festivals, environmental events, and so much more. So check out what's happening in your local area. Find out where it's happening, when it is, and what might be a good fit for your products and your brand. Maybe even consider giving a talk to a local group. Number two, set up a booth or a stall at a local craft fair or trade show. Look for events that complement your products, like handcrafted good fairs or mind, body and spirit events, beauty events, alternative therapy events. It can be a great way to get your name out there and connect with potential customers. Number three, start selling on another platform like Etsy or an alternative or similar online marketplace. It's a great way to reach a larger audience and get your products in front of people who might not otherwise have heard of you. Sites like Etsy have a huge audience that loves handcrafted goods, so you've already got a willing audience. It's easy to get started and they have a wealth of free tutorials to teach you all of those basic steps to get going. And it can take time to build an audience for a new business, so borrowing access to a huge audience like this is a great way for you to get started, especially before your own website takes off. So if you're not busy right now with your own customers, use that time to promote yourself and become more visible by being in more places online. Go to sites like Etsy, Folksy, Fair, Amazon Handmade and many, many more. Number four, create a social media presence for your business. Social media is such a powerful tool and it can really help you connect with potential customers from all over the world, not just locally. You can use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, even LinkedIn. But if you don't have much time or it feels daunting, why not just start with something more simple like Instagram Reels? Short, punchy content that's fun and will showcase your brand and your products without you being on the hamster wheel, grinding away all day long using long form content like you would if you were writing blog posts. Number five, send out emails to past customers. If you don't already have an email list, you absolutely need to get one. You can get started straight away, so you could start to build a list. Sign up for a free account with a company like MailerLite, where you'll get like 1,000, I think, subscribers, and you can send up to about 12,000 emails a month before you need to spend a dime. And they've got beautiful templates. It's easy to use automation features to make your email marketing a breeze. Your past customers, your best customers, because they already have bought from you. They already know how great your products are. So treat them with an exclusive offer or maybe a loyalty discount. Number six, give away free samples of your product. But when you do, make sure to include something like a leaflet with details of the product. Even do a featured section about the product and its uses. And don't forget to include details about your brand, your website, and even details about the places that you're going to be attending in the next few months. Make sure that your customers know how they can find you again and so that they can experience even more gorgeous products from you. Number seven, provide good customer services that's second to none. Take the time and the effort to show how much you value your customers. Go that extra mile to make sure that they're happy with their purchase. If you exceed their expectations, they're much more likely to be telling everybody about their great experience with your business. And if you do make a mistake or you mess up on an order, own up to it and fix it as quickly as possible. When you put in the hard work to find new customers, it is important to treat them right so that they keep coming back to you for more products. By providing excellent customer services and creating a strong connection with your customers, you'll be able to build a lasting relationship with them. Number 8, offer loyalty rewards. Create a loyalty card system or a simple stamp card like coffee shops do. They've been doing it for years. And this way customers can come back, collect stamps or points and then redeem them against future purchases. It encourages your customers to keep coming back because they know they'll get rewarded for buying from you. It's super easy to make your own and it isn't going to cost you a fortune either. Number 8, participate on online forums and discussion groups. There are tons of different forums and discussion groups related to pretty much any kind of topic imaginable. Find one that relates to your products or your industry or niche and become an active member. Share your experiences, your knowledge, your expertise and connect with potential customers and help build up your reputation as a reliable source of information. Number 9, team up with complementary businesses. If you've got a product that would be a great fit for another business or their customers, reach out to them. See if they'd be interested in teaming up with you. You could do a joint promotion. You could cross-promote each other's products or services or even collaborate on a particular product. It's a great way to get your products and services in front of a new audience. Reach out to other makers, therapists, treatment centres, other businesses that have a similar clientele to you. Find ways that you can complement each other and help them see how you can help their customers. Maybe even offer to do a live call or an interview with them, or even join in on one of their podcasts if they have one. There are lots of ways that you can partner with people, and the more that you can help other people grow their businesses, the more you'll be able to grow your business. And number 10, get involved with your local community. There are many ways that you can get involved in local community projects. You could volunteer for a local charity. You could sponsor a little league or a junior team, participate in local business associations, get involved in your community. It's a great way to meet new people and show them that you're invested in making your whole community a better place. It's also a great way to get your business name out there. So you have a variety of options for expanding your business and discovering new customers for your soaps. And most importantly, don't give up. Let me know some other ways that you found to get new customers. Share in the comments and let me know. If you are thinking about doing an event, why not check out the next video about craft stalls and some tips on choosing the right ones for your business. I hope this has helped you. I can't wait to see you again with me really soon. Bye bye for now.